Hey everyone, Megan here from Juice Bikes. Happy Earth Day. I'm so excited to share with you the Rethink Your Ride challenge. Did you know the average passenger vehicle emits about 4.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide a year? You know what doesn't emit CO2? Yup, an e-bike, like this juiced Hyper Scorpion. If you replace just some of your car miles with e-bike miles, you'll be helping to reduce CO2 emissions, improving air quality, and not to mention saving a ton of money on gasoline. We wanted to show you how easy it is to do just that by challenging 2 San Diego riders to completely replace their car miles with an e-bike for the day. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Addie, and I'm going to be riding my Rip Current S today. I use my car a lot, probably every day, so it'll be fun for me to save some money on gas and explore new places.
Hey, I'm Bryan, and today I'm riding my Scorpion X. I use my car every day. It's like a gas guzzler, so I'm really excited to do those trips with my e-bike today.
Where I went surfing today was about 9 miles away, which sounds like a lot, but on an e-bike it's super easy. As a surfer, I'm always thinking about the environment because what I like to do depends so heavily on having a healthy earth. So knowing that I'm doing just small contributions to help the earth always makes me feel good.
Today I first rode to school through my neighborhood. I took a route that I don't typically take to school, obviously because of the bike, and I really enjoyed it. It was really nice kind of seeing like a part of the neighborhood that I don't really see. Never did I think that I could survive living in San Diego without a car, and like today proved that like I could just use a bike.
After surfing, I met up with a friend at one of my favorite coffee shops. Replacing my car today with an e-bike was actually really convenient. I could zip through cars, I didn't have to worry about parking, I didn't have to worry about kind of the backup of cars at stoplights. I could kind of jump the line, and yeah, it was amazing.
Next, I went to my favorite study spot down by Mission Bay. I grabbed a snack and studied for my aeronautics degree. Gas prices are like crazy right now, and we all want to like save money, but like you could totally commute from point A to point B to point C in a bike.
After coming home from getting coffee, I went to the grocery store to pick up a couple items to make dinner tonight. Seeing how easy this day was, I definitely think I could see myself replacing my car a lot with my e-bike. Even just going to the grocery store was super quick. I couldn't believe how fast I was able to get there and how much stuff my little carrier held. I definitely think I'll be doing this more often.
Then I arrived at the gym where I coach jiu-jitsu. After today, I realized that riding the e-bike is something I want to do beyond today. I want to see how long I can carry this streak and replace driving my car with riding the e-bike.
Thanks to Addie and Bryan for participating in the Rethink Your Ride challenge. They each rode over 20 miles on their juice bikes today. Now imagine if they just did that once a week. That would save over 400,000 grams in CO2 emissions a year. Now we at Juice Bikes want to challenge you to try replacing your car with an e-bike for just one day this spring. I think you'll find that it's easier than you expected it to be. And if you do try it out, leave us a comment below and let us know how it goes. And if you don't own an e-bike, or more specifically, a juice bike, what are you waiting for? It's the perfect green alternative to driving a car that doesn't break the bank. Thanks for watching.